Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see if someone took a screenshot of your Instagram chat. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone. And if you want to see if someone took a screenshot of our Instagram chat, we need to activate disappearing messages feature or vanish mode. And I'm going to go to my Instagram direct messages. If you want to see if someone took a screenshot of your chat, you need to activate the disappearing messages. I'm going to select one of my room chat, and I'm going to click on the account's name. And here, as you can see, that we have disappearing messages feature, and we need to activate this feature. Okay, and then you can choose how long you want to activate this disappearing messages, and I'm going to activate it for 7 days. Okay, and then now the disappearing messages has been turned on, and I'm going to take screenshot of this chat. Okay, and there will be notification if we took a screenshot of the chat. As you can see, I took a screenshot of this chat. Okay, on the previous version of Instagram, we need to activate the vanish mode because not all accounts get the disappearing messages feature. In the older version, you need to activate the vanish mode. For example, this account, I'm going to tap on the account's name, and as you can see that there is no disappearing messages. But don't worry, because we can still see if someone took a screenshot of our chat. So we need to go to the privacy and safety and then activate the vanish mode. Okay, now the vanish mode has been enabled, and I'm going to try to take screenshot. Okay, and as you can see, I got notification after I took screenshot of this shot. So basically, you just need to activate the disappearing messages or vanish mode to see if someone takes screenshot of your Instagram chat. Okay guys, and that's all the way to see if someone took a screenshot of our Instagram chat. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!